Did you know shredding tires can earn you up to $40 per tire? Yes, tire shredding is not just about waste management. It's a profitable business opportunity. With the right equipment, you can turn scrap tires into profit. With a standard shredder like this one, you can earn around $1 to $5 per tire. But if you're looking to maximize profits, processing the shredded tires into high-value products like rubber crumb or tire-derived fuel can boost your earnings up to $40 per tire. Starting with a simple dual-shaft shredder can get you in the game. This equipment is perfect for initial size reduction, making the tires easier to manage and preparing them for further processing. It's a straightforward and cost-effective way to begin turning waste into revenue. Quite a lot of people just need this initial step because not everyone wants to invest in the full range of machinery needed to process tires into rubber crumb. Instead, they prefer to shred the tires into smaller pieces to save space in dumpsters, reducing the number needed and avoiding the dumping fees associated with disposing of whole tires in landfills. Let's look at the numbers. If you start with a small-scale operation with just a single slow-speed shredder like this one, processing 1,000 tires per day at $3 per tire, you could earn $750,000 annually. For medium or large-scale businesses processing 5,000 tires daily, that number could grow to $3.75 million a year. But if you're aiming for even higher profit margins, you'll need specialized equipment with multiple processing stages. Here's how you can scale up and make valuable rubber crumb material. Let's break down the process into 5 key steps to turn shredded tires into valuable products. Step 1. Collecting and sorting tires. Gather tires from auto shops, junkyards, and other sources. Sort and inspect them to ensure they're ready for shredding. Step 2. Removing steel wires. Extract the steel wires embedded in the tires using specialized machinery. This step not only prepares the rubber for further processing, but also allows you to sell the scrap steel for additional profit. Step 3. Primary shredding. Use a dual-shaft shredder to cut the tires into large shreds. This initial shredding makes the rubber more manageable, setting the stage for the next steps in the recycling process. Step 4. Secondary shredding. For those looking to create high-value products like rubber crumb, secondary shredders and granulators are necessary. These machines reduce the size of the rubber pieces even further, transforming them into smaller chips or granules suitable for playground surfaces, road construction, and more. Step 5. Screening and cleaning. The final stage ensures uniformity and quality by removing contaminants and screening the rubber to meet specific size requirements. The cleaned rubber is then ready for packaging and sale. There are various machines to meet different processing needs. For basic shredding, a dual-shaft shredder works well. If you're looking to separate steel and rubber, a wire liberator system is essential. To produce finer materials, granulators and cracker mills can further refine the rubber. High-value recycling opens up various markets, including the construction, playground, automotive, and energy industries. With rising demand for sustainable materials, businesses can generate significant revenue by processing tires into specialized products. To start a tire shredding business, you'll need to consider some key factors. Conduct market research, create a solid business plan, choose the right equipment, ensure regulatory compliance, and develop a marketing strategy to attract customers. Want to get started with tire shredding and make a difference in the recycling industry? Contact us today to find out how the right equipment and support can turn scrap into profit.